morning, students. First of all, I want to wish all of you a happy Visra this time, because you all are at home and you can do a lot of puja and all there. And I want to complete some reactions on today. Two reactions, very important reactions. Excuse me. One reaction is known as Bezoincondensation. Bezoincondensation. Last class I told you what is aldol condensation, what is its mechanism. Today I want to say another reaction, Bezoincondensation. In the meantime, we have already discussed the Cannizzaro reaction also. And students, you have to study these three reactions: Bezoincondensation, aldol condensation, and then the Cannizzaro reaction. And then one more reaction is here, that is, recently added a reaction that is known as Beccman rearrangement. Beccman rearrangement. These four reactions, these two reactions they will ask for the examination. Probably you will be getting some 6 to 7 marks, 8 marks for these two questions. So what is meant by Bezoincondensation? Bezoincondensation is the condensation of two benzaldehyde molecules. Benzaldehyde C6H5CH2. Two molecules of benzaldehyde molecules dimerizes. Dimer is two molecules combined together in presence of hydrogen cyanide or potassium cyanide. That's why I have written Cn minus. In presence of ethyl alcohol. That means dilute ethyl alcohol containing water at a given temperature. You have to apply a certain temperature, not a high temperature, more than room temperature. You will get an additional product which is known as benzoin. Benzoin means two molecules of benzaldehyde molecules combined together forming a benzoin molecule. Benzoin molecule, during the formation of benzoin molecule, you can see no other molecule is getting removed. At some point, no other molecules are getting removed. Two molecules as such combined together forming a dimer. Dimer means two molecules combined together and giving a product. The product is known as benzoin. B-E-N-Z-O-I-N, benzoin. The reactions part you will write. But the mechanism part is important. They will ask the mechanism, not the reaction. I will take the camera and I will show you again near the blackboard. You can see it again. First I will explain the things and then I will take the camera and show the pictures. Mechanism, first step. Nucleophilic addition of Cn minus to the carbonyl carbon. You have to take one molecule of benzaldehyde. You know the electronic transition from, I can show you here, electronic transition. That means from this double bond, the electrons are being transferred to the oxygen atom. And there will be a negative charge here and a positive charge. Okay, so this Cn minus ion is adding to the carbon as such. Such reactions we explained a number of times. So Cn minus is adding to this carbon and you are getting this ion. And again this proton is moving to this oxygen. H plus is moving to this O minus. Right? So that is C6H5, COH, Cn, and this H plus is going out. So this minus charge is written here. This is a carbanion. Resonance stabilized carbanion. This one. Understand? So that is the first step. That is the formation of a carbanion. You have to write in first step. Second step is resonance stabilize that carbanion and to the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule. Second molecule you have to take this second molecule. This is the second molecule. And here also electronic transition is taking place. O minus. Here it is O minus. Right? Here it is positive charge. So this negative part of this ion, that is this carbanion, is adding to this molecule. So this negative part is connecting to here, so you are getting a molecule like this. So that is formation of the second, diazonium is the second molecule, and the carbanion combined together and forming an ion. That is the second step. In the third step, I have written here, the migration of the proton from OH group accompanied by the removal of Cn anion forming the benzoin. So I will tell you what are the things happening here. The third step, this hydrogen will move to this oxygen. This H plus will go to this oxygen. So therefore here it will be OH. And here it is O minus. Right? This will transfer into here. This will be O minus, and the Cn minus will be removed out. And here there is a formation of double bond. So let us see here that same thing. C6H5 that down. COH Cn, CHO minus C6H5. That is this ion. What are the things happening here? Hydrogen is going to oxygen. So this is O minus. This H plus is going to OH. That is why this OH is here. Let me write it. Rewrite it. So this is OH. This one is OH. So this OH group, this O minus, this is O minus. So this H is moving to this O. H is moving to this O, it will be OH. And this Cn is removing out. It will be removing out. And this O, H is 1, it is O minus. This will be changing to the CO. So this compound is known as a benzoin. So students, I want to show you this reaction nearer to the blackboard so that you can see the reaction very closely. So I will just a minute. So what is the reaction? 2 molecules of benzaldehyde in presence of HCN, temperature, in presence of ethyl alcohol, in presence of water. These are the conditions. And you are getting benzoin. Benzoin molecule is like this. You can see the benzoin molecule. This is the benzoin molecule. 2 molecules combined together forming benzoin molecule. Okay. And it is the mechanism of that. Nucleophilic addition of Cn minus to the carbonyl carbon. So what is the effect? You take 1 molecule of benzaldehyde. As you know, the electrons are moving to oxygen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ negative charge ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive charge ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Cn minus will go to this place, positive charge. So C6H5COH Cn, right? This is happening. This is the compound. And now this hydrogen moved to this oxygen and you are getting OH. So C6H5COH Cn. So minus charge will be there. This H plus is gone and minus charge will come here. So this will be OH and C minus and Cn. This is a carbanion. So you can see that step once again. You can see the molecule Cn minus and you are getting C6H5, CO minus, Cn, H. And then last more step. And this will become OH and minus charge. This is carbanion. Second step, you can go to the second step. See the second step. This is the carbanion formed in the previous step. This minus charge is adding to another molecule. Another molecule means this oxygen will get negative charge. Here it will be a positive charge. So this negative charge and this positive charge combine together and you will be getting an additional product like this. Right? And this migrate, the third step, there is a migration. What is the migration? So this hydrogen from this OH group moving to this oxygen. Till the OH agute, okay? And here it will be O minus. And this Cn will be going out, removing agute. It will be removed. Cn will be removed and it will be O minus and here there will be a double bond. And here will be OH. So that is happening here. That compound is known as benzoin. Okay. So what is the reaction? What is the reaction? Bezoincondensation. And what are the conditions for that? Okay, what is the mechanism of the reaction? There are 3 steps for the mechanism of the reaction. First one, there is the formation of a carbon ion, which is resonance stabilized. Can you hear me? Which is a resonance stabilized part. And the second step, that molecule, that resonance stabilized carbon ion is combining with another molecule of benzaldehyde, forming an anion. Again, there is a formation of an anion. And then the third step, that particular ion is again rearranges to form a dimer. So that's all about this reaction. And let us again explain with another reaction.